What is going on with your YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. Tonight, we got our first real look at the Pixel 6. Up until now, we've really just been seeing renders, except for the people that actually got the hands on. But as consumers, we haven't actually seen the device. And Google rolled out a video tonight after 9 p.m. Pacific time, showing off the phone for the first time, which is kind of strange. Earlier, they posted, had a Pixel 6 post on their Made by Google Instagram, trying to parody the Drake cover, Certified Lover Boy. That post missed the mark, in my opinion. I didn't even realize that's what they were doing until I kind of just like looked into it a little deeper. But they have a post that says Certified Pixel Lovers, and then they have 12 pixels on the post, kind of looking like Drake's album cover. I don't know. Whoever uploaded that, you missed. I don't want to be too critical, but you missed. But let's talk about this video. So we finally get to see people holding this phone. I was curious. I know we know what the phone looks like. We've been seeing renders, but I really wanted to see the phone in the wild, like what it actually looks like, not just the render. So far, I can't determine if I actually like the design. I've been saying it looks really cool because it's different. It's way different than the boring pixel design we've been getting really since the very beginning. It's just, you know, it's such a departure that I've convinced myself that I like it, but I'm not sure if I actually like the design. I know I don't like the colors for the Pixel 6 Pro. I don't feel like they have a good color combination that I really want, so I think I'm going to go with white. What color have you guys seen that you feel that looks the best? We do get to see the different colors. This is a strange rollout, man. It seems like Google never knows what to do with these phones. I don't know why you would show off your phone for the first time at 9 o'clock Pacific time on a random Wednesday night. It's just, I don't know, man. I just know that I'm Team Pixel. The Pixel 2 XL is the best Android phone I have ever owned. And I have just been waiting for them to release a flagship phone, and that we're finally getting it. And I don't think I've ever been more excited about a phone than the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Sound off in the comments, man. What do you guys think about this phone? I can't wait for it. I don't care how weird the rollout is. This is my next phone you'll see on the channel. Get active in the comments. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.